Good day po sir. The new Expander Cross facelift has now a 360-degree camera and 4 airbags. He was asking basically here itong si Julius if this new version of the Expander would change my mind. For those who don't know, yours truly is a Toyota Veloz owner V, and I chose this particular car because of the feature. So Julius, dahil malakas ka sa akin, tara sagutin natin. So yun nga no, the 2026 Mitsubishi Expander Cross and the GLS and GLX basically now has new faces, improved facelift. A lot of people still really like the pre-facelift version kasi nga mas ano daw sa kanila yan, mas macho. Now, since you asked about the Expander Cross din naman, yun na nga sa best of the best na tayo, no? I pretty much like the new facelift of the Expander Cross. So, dun pa lang medyo napapaano na tayo na medyo na-change, na-sway na tayo ng konti sa itsura. I've always liked, I told you guys, I've always liked the overall dating, yung pagiging astig ni Expander Cross. Then, ayan na nga, may 360-degree camera na siya ngayon and much larger na 10-inch infotainment display screen. So, ang ganda rin ng interior niya ngayon. Trip na trip ko. Maroon leather nga lang. I would have preferred black, but medyo pwede na rin, Fortuner vibe. Kaya siguro some of you are wondering now that may 360-degree camera ni sa Expander Cross, kasi alam nyo naman yun yung pinaka-favorite na feature natin, and that's why a big part of that why I chose Veloz, because siya lang yung may ganon sa mga competition, diba? So now that the Expander Cross has it, medyo naano rin tayo, nasway rin tayo na oh, that could have been a great option. But unfortunately, yun lang talaga about the safety features ni Expander Cross. Medyo lamang pa rin talaga si Veloz merong yung pre-collision mitigating system, yung nagbe-brake siya bago tumatama sa object sa harap, yung rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, yung mga lane keep, hindi na ako masyadong ano dun okay lang sa akin, wala yun. Basta yun lang talaga, yung emergency braking, sobrang importante sa akin yun. So in short, even though I'm tempted, I think I'll still stick with the Toyota Veloz, but Expander has a better build quality. And then lastly, like you mentioned here, 4 airbags pa rin kahit new version na ni Expander, no? So wala pa siyang speed sensing door locks compared with Toyota Veloz, meron siya nun, and then 6 airbags pa siya. So it's gonna be tough, but there you have my answer. Subscribe to my channel for more.